Hello everyone, this video is brought to you by Trio Outreach Programs at the University of California, San Diego. My name is Diana Hernandez Hernandez, and this is the first video of the Campus Involvement series. In this part, we will discuss how to navigate the Student Involvement website for UCSD. We will have a brief overview of the organizations, also known as clubs, available. I hope after watching this video, you will be encouraged to visit the page and continue exploring. Some questions we hope to answer are, what opportunities are there for me? How can I get involved? And how can I get in contact? To help answer the first question, we want you to consider, what do you want to join? You can decide to maintain consistent hobbies and interests that you might have carried for multiple years, or you can take this as an opportunity to try and learn something new. I recommend creating a list of what you want to experience and gain from your college experience. Within the scope of campus involvement at UCSD, we have student organizations that are college-based, and we have a now 7-college system, in case you weren't aware. You can also be creative and join arts and crafts, dance, gaming, and other hobbies. Or you can choose to be active in recreational sports, also known as intramurals at UCSD. Or you can be academically oriented and join in organizations that is specific to your major or career. Let's check some out. We can begin by entering student involvement at UCSD on your search engine. It is among the first links. It takes you to this page, and here we have the link to join student organizations. We will do that in a moment, but there's also information on community service and leadership. In this section, we have the hyperlinks that are focused on the college that you are part of. For example, if we click on MIR, we will learn about organizations that are often begun, led, and run by MIR college students, or they simply have their meetings in the MIR college area. For example, the MIR Eventual Doctors or MED Club, and the MIR Volunteer Program or MVP. And there's other opportunities. You can also be part of certain spaces and communities, such as those listed right here. We can check out the LGBT Resource Center. Here, under the tab Community, and click on Organizations, you will see they provide and indicate the times of the weeks and the location for their meetings and a short description about what it's about. Here, for example, we have the Black Queer Collective, Love is Light, OSTEM, and discussion groups, also with the dates and times, location. And here is a way to contact them. You can email them to learn more about the structure of their meetings or what is discussed. You can also check out the volunteer opportunities, and you can choose to be part of intramural sports. Intramurals are recreational sports where you can create your own team with your friends and play for fun. Even if you do not have experience, this is a great way to try something new. The sports offered vary by the quarter, so check out the different activities that are available. And just as a note, this activity does come with a small fee because you have to purchase an intramural or IM pass. Now, if we go back here, we can click on Student Organizations. And here we are at the Center for Student Involvement, or CSI. Click on Join. This provides a long list of organizations at UCSD that is updated every school year. And you want to make sure to click undergraduate. You can see there was 505 registered organizations during the 2019 to 2020 academic year. If you have some keywords in mind or interests, you can use the search bar engine, or just scroll through the A through Z alphabetical ordered list, although that would take quite some time. However, they have some helpful categories right here on the left. We can click on the dance, and it will filter out organizations that are in the category of dance. You can read more about, for example, Baile Folclórico, We have their purpose statement. And here again, we have the email you can choose to contact. And here's a list of some principal members. So if you would like to hear more about their experience or what the club might do on a regular basis, this is a good way to reach out. You can also check out media. And you will find some magazines that are on campus. If you are eager to participate in these kind of activities, feel free to check them out. If fashion is one of your passions, you can check out Fashion Quarterly magazine and read their purpose statement, contact them or their principal members. Or you can also look at their constitution, which lists some protocols. If you're more into service and giving back to the community, there's a category for that as well. Click on undergraduate, and we have organizations such as Doctors Without Borders, Chapter, Engineering World Health, the Food Recovery Network, Fronteras Saludables, or Healthier Borders, and so many more. We also have organizations that are just very social. They include gaming activities and others like climbing team, figure skating, Foosh, which is an improv comedy club. And here, once again, there's their email and some principal members. There's also the motorcycle club, origami folders, and gaming, as I mentioned. I hope y'all feel encouraged to check out all these categories here, and you can learn more about the pre-professional organizations and mentorship in another video I made. And you can learn about how to dig deeper to connect with the organizations and use social media wisely to be familiar with the club before joining. I have another video on that too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.